friends, today I wish to share my happiness with my YouTube family. Our YouTube family has grown to 1000 plus subscribers. We all know that YouTube learning is a new trend in social media and many of you might also be posting your videos. Few of you have also asked me, how could I reach 1000 plus subscribers? So today I will share my secret. But before that, let me introduce myself for those who are here for the first time. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Today I will share my secret to expansion and I also wish to extend my happiness of 1000 plus subscribers with a giveaway. Are you excited? I am super excited. There is a special giveaway to all those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned to know what is the giveaway. Let me first begin with how to achieve success. My secret to achievement and success is discipline. Discipline and consistency goes hand in hand to attract your heart desires. Most of my participants would always acknowledge me for my commitment and consistency towards my intuitive growth, a dimension not much talked about. In the beginning of this year, I created a free WhatsApp learning group so that in this stressful time, I can help as many people to maintain higher frequency. I started helping the group members by creating and maintaining monthly planners to achieve success and complete their goals. I help them to write daily affirmations, daily gratitude and prayers, and I started creating learning videos for them. This service rubbed off on me in a big way. Since January, I have started posting one video every week to support my followers, and that has created a miracle in my life. And I attracted 1000 plus subscribers. And this is not the end. My next target is 10,000 subscribers. That means more people would be helped and supported to raise their frequency. So please support the channel and show your love by sharing these videos with your family and friends, and let's together make a difference. My key to expansion is discipline and consistency. Today I wish to share what discipline is and how it can be achieved easily. Let me begin with a short prayer on discipline. I pray that I may manifest God's power in my daily living. I pray that I may discipline myself so as to be ready to meet every opportunities. I pray that I may be used by God to lighten many burdens. And I pray that many souls may be helped through my efforts. So why do we need discipline? Discipline can help us manifest God's power within us, our intuition, our inner voice. Discipline can help us open to receive opportunities as God wants the best for His spiritual children. Discipline can help us to lighten God's burden by serving humanity. And lastly, through our discipline, we can help many people and we can make a difference. So it's very important for us to have a disciplined life if we wish to expand and create a happy and a healthy life. Also, serving others brings us great joy and abundance. Benjamin Franklin says, "He that is good for making excuses is seldom good for anything else." So either we are disciplined and we take action, or we can make excuses. But if we make excuses, we will never be good at anything. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Courage to continue and take action is the key, and this is discipline. What we all need in life is motivation and discipline. Motivation helps us start something, but discipline helps us sustain it. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. You will never always be motivated. You have to learn to be disciplined. So yes, discipline is very important and extremely important if you want to expand, attract happiness, peace and joy in your life. Discipline is for professionals and motivation is for amateurs. And here I will share a simple way to be disciplined. I strongly believe life is simple, so whatever I teach, I simplify my training with easy to follow practices. Life is indeed simple, but we complicate it with our limited thinking, and as a co-creator, we choose limitations and scarcity. So now, are you ready for a simple process for discipline? Just repeat this every day as you wake up with all your heart and soul. I am taking care of my well-being by staying away from anything that blocks my thriving, my growth. I am taking care of my emotional needs by focusing on creating good feelings. I am taking care of my spiritual needs by aligning with what makes my soul happy. I am taking care of my body and making healthy choices. I am taking care of all of me. You might wonder if this simple affirmation can bring discipline in your life. I'm sure you must have heard this, that drops of water falling on a huge rock wears it out. So yes, such affirmation will help you focus on your priority, bringing discipline in your life. Practice and make a difference rather than thinking logical thoughts and not beginning. Now, let's talk about the giveaway to all my subscribers. You guys are smart and you might have known by now what is my giveaway. So now, let me raise the curtain and break the suspense. I am making a special series on intuitive powers for all of you, where you can learn to listen to your inner voice, where all answers and solutions exist, where you clearly know the difference between intuition and mind chatter. Do you wish to know? Do you wish to tap into your God-gifted powers? Do you wish to know all about your extra psychic senses and how to tap into it? So now smile and be happy, as I am creating a series of videos on how to develop your intuitive powers. And this series will help you expand all areas of your life, that is physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, as well as expand your financial dimension. I will also be sharing a few processes that I do with my intuitive training participants. So are you ready? The series starts on Saturday, and every Saturday a new lesson will be uploaded and you get an entire week to complete the assignment. First lesson will explain about exactly what intuition or intuitive power is, how to differentiate intuition with your mind chatter, and answer questions like, is it a power given to some lucky people? Stay connected to know all this and many more. Watch my next video to clear all your doubts. Do you wish to be a part of this learning series absolutely free? I am very excited to teach. If you wish to learn, then do subscribe now if you haven't yet, and click on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as I post a new lesson. Please let me know what are your thoughts on this topic in the comment section. Today I spoke about the importance of discipline, difference between discipline and motivation. I shared simple technique to set your day with confidence to attract success with discipline. Hope you have learned something new today, and you will continue to learn through this series on intuition. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.